Good morning, everybody. It's such a lovely day today, and now we are going to go fishing for patin. Now I'm trying this new bait out. It has been fermenting for the past 1.5 weeks. I'll show you the recipe later. What's important here, will it catch fish? So if it does, I'm going to share it. If it doesn't, why then, right? So I'm going to try something unorthodox today using my daughter's leftover cereal, honey stars. Well, if the pacu takes sausages, why not, right? Why not? Alright, I'm excited. I really don't know what is going to happen. I don't really know where to cast. Okay, so this honey stars already has holes in it. You just thread it through. Alright. Alright, just thread through. That should do it. On each hook. I'm using 2 single hooks today. No lead. Oh, you broke. This will attract the patin to come in and start feeding. Hopefully, you eat the honey stars. Looking cast. Much better. I'm not throwing it extremely far. And leave a loose drag. And see what happens. Something is playing with the line. It's tight. It was tight. It was tight. Now it's going. Is it going? Is it going? It's going very slowly. The tip is moving. I think it's going. Yep. It's going. Try. Okay guys, I'm in. Feels funny. This side, the fish is playing drums with the string. And it feels heavy. This be a patin. I've not caught a patin here before. Are you going to be a pacu? It is a pacu. Got it. I was hoping for a patin. Okay, let's try throwing further this time. Loose drag. It's going down nicely. Just tighten the string a little bit. I want a patin. Come on, guys. It's a nice cooling morning. Landing a patin will be perfect. Oh, there he goes. Okay, so my rod has gone down. Tighten a bit. Set the hook. Okay, it's another pacu. Small pacu. Yeah, all the patin. Come on. Is it my beat? It's definitely another pacu. Alright, so I've got 2 soya balls here. Same thing, changing to soya balls because from 2 cars I've caught 2 pachus already. This ground bait seems to really attract the pachus in. It's going down nicely. The soya balls will float up, so the baited soya balls will be about 4 inches higher than the bait ball. Oop, 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 big one, big one, big one. Oh, is it still there? Is it still there? Okay, it's still there. Alright, I'm on. I think I'm on. Okay, 3 fishes, 3 casts. It's a pachu again. It's another pachu. This one's fighting high. Pachu on soya ball. It's quite a cheap bait, this soya ball. It comes in a big pack, about what, half a 300 grams, and it's just 2 ringgits. You get it from major, not major, small kedai runcit. Alright, where's my net? Oh, left it the back in. Okay, it's certainly bigger, this one. Maybe about 3 kilos. Alright, let's land the fella. Oh, it's another pachu. On break. Pachu, small fellow.